I was absent because my health was not well. Ma'am, C5 answer will be sheep, not elephant, because elephant horn often are beast of burden. Sheep is not. You are wrong.
Sheep is no. Sheep, horse, and ox. Listen, sheep, horse, and ox. These three are farm animal. But elephant not is a farm animal. Elephant is a wild animal. Okay, if you think in that way, that in that case your answer will be elephant. Okay, yesterday Devottam also said me the same thing. Tell me sheep, horse, and ox. We know that these three are called farm animal. But elephant
Yes,
not is a farm animal. Elephant is a wild animal. Okay, so
yes.
in that case, answer will be elephant. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my homework.
Actually, we should not say sheep is a beast of burden. Donkey is beast of burden, but most of the time, yes, sheep we can say, but not like that. So we, the question number 5 answer will be elephant. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, next page.
Okay. Don't show me here. Submit in the assignment section. That will be better. I can that I can check properly.
In project,
Okay. Mute your device. Now I'm going to tell. Now I'm going to tell about the project. Okay. I'm
ma'am.
going to tell about the
Ma'am.
project. I have checked that Shoptorshi is doing the class. Where is Shoptorshi? No. Uh, I received I think two assignment. Two assignment. Everyone listen to me. Do you know why I have given 3 to 4 days because of this assignment? Because the assignment is paste or draw the pictures of the thing that we get from plants and also write their name. It's mean minutely you have to do the project. You can do this project. Pronobi, listen to me. Aratrika Patro, sit properly. You can do this project in your science copy as well as also if you want to do you can also do the project in an art paper. Shoptoshi, what you have done I have remarked good, but you need to resubmit your project, resubmit your assignment, because I my question is that write the name of the pair, draw or paste the thing that we get from plant. But you have drawn only mango, three fruits, maybe three food, mango, carrots, okay, and okay. No, I can reject your project, but as you have submitted within 1 day, that's why I remark good. But again, you have to do it. So, how your project should be? Everyone, listen to me. If you note down some point, you can. Okay, make a list of the thing that we get from plants. Okay, just like just like if you want to draw or paste, if you want to draw or paste the picture of one second, picture of the thing, just like jute bag, jute rope, jute mat. These are the thing. This thing we get from jute plant. So I will advise you first draw or paste the thing just like jute bag. I'm giving an example. Okay, this is only an example. So if you want to draw jute bag, jute rope, jute plant, in the other side you have to also draw its plant, or else you can also only write its name. Okay, jute plant. First, you have to write jute plant. Then, other side, draw what we get. What are the thing we get from jute plant? Understood? Number one, jute plant, and the next our picture will be the thing that we get from jute plant, like jute bag, jute rope, jute mat. Next, wood, wood. So then you can draw the picture of door, pencil, bat, anything. Okay. Next, perfume. if you want to draw, if you want to write the name of the thing perfume, you have to draw the picture of rose, or you need to write the name of rose plant, because we get perfume from rose, lily, this from this plant. Yes. Okay. So the whole project I will not tell you. This is also a mind game. Everything should come from your brain and from your mind. So these are example I'm giving you. Okay. I will also give you very good, good, excellent. These three are the remarks. Good mean normal, very good mean good, very good, and excellent project mean excellent. So these are three category I will give you. I will mention in the remark portion. Okay, so try to do the project, give your best. Okay, so these are the thing. Medicine, the thing that we get from plant, medicine. Now you can write the name of tulsi leaf. Also you can paste or draw the picture of tulsi leaf, neem leaves. Okay, next, paper, gum, rubber. Paper, gum, rubber, these are the thing, these are the thing. But from where we get this thing? Kika tree, gum tree, rubber tree, tire. Understood? Okay, so this is absolutely depend on you, how you want to represent your project. Okay, there is not a particular rule for this project. This is absolutely depend on you, how you want to represent your project. You can also draw the picture, you can also paste the picture. Okay, you can also draw the picture of the thing that we get. Also you can draw plant. It's absolutely depend on you. There is not a particular rule. So don't ask me repeated question that ma'am what to do, ma'am what to do. Ishan Bhakto, I think you are very much busy to give me emoji. Understood everyone? Okay, unmuting you for 1 minute. So don't ask me ma'am how to do the project. This is a normal and simple project. Okay, absolutely depend on you, how you want to represent your project. Okay, anything you can do as you want, as you wish, anything you can do. Okay, yes, say one by one. Let me take your name. Let me take your name.
Shoot.
Who want to say first? Pushpak. After that I will talk to others. Yes, Pushpak, say.
Ma'am, I drawing the art paper.
Yes, you can draw. You can draw in art paper.
White art paper.
Yes, white color art paper. White.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. If art paper is not available to you, don't force your parents that ma'am told us, ma'am told us, ma'am said us to buy art paper. You can also do this project in your science copy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Rishabh, say.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now Rishabh,
Yes,
say.
We can also draw.
What?
We can also draw fruits or vegetables.
Yes, fruits or vegetable things, anything you can. I think you can make 3 column. You can make 3 thing. Do something vegetable, then fruit, then pulses, then oil, just like your book. Just then spices, then medicine, fiber, wood, perfume, paper, gum, and rubber, just like your book. Okay. Give
Okay,
some
ma'am.
point, give some point, and draw a picture accordingly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, one by one, one by one. Okay. I have given sufficient time. I will check this project not in the class. All you have to submit in school app, and you are getting this week. Monday will be the last date. Yes, Aratrika.
Ma'am, I can draw fruit.
One by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. Yes, Aratrika, say.
Ma'am,
Yes.
art
Yes.
paper record.
I will not accept your project until and unless you will talk to me in English. Aratrika Patro, repeatedly you are talking in Bengali. Repeatedly you are talking in Bengali, and as your class teacher, I can't allow you. This is the last time and last warning for you. If you want to talk to me, you have to speak in English. Otherwise, don't attend the class. Say again in English. Aratrika Patro, whatever you want to ask me, ask in English only. And not in my class, not in my class. Each and every class, you have to speak in English. Okay. I'll ask to other teacher also that how you are performing and how you are attending other classes. Okay. Anurag Shatla, please sit properly. Aratrika, yes, you can do the project in art paper. Yes, they be say.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can draw fruits, vegetables, and spices. Ma'am.
Spices, medicine, fiber, yes, everything. Make some category.
Okay, ma'am.
These are category. These are called category. Number one category fruit, then vegetable, then fiber, then medicine, then perfume, then spices. These are called categories. Okay.
Ma'am, what you, ma'am? I draw 3 columns.
No need to do any column. No need to do. This is called column. No column. Okay. No need to do any column. As you want. Represent your project as you want. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Lamia.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in this coffee.
Hmm?
Ma'am.
Yes, you can. One by one. Anubhav, wait, Anubhav. Yes, Lamia. Yes, Lamia.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ram.
you see my homework. I have drawn carrot, mango, maize, gram, coconut, and sugar plant, turmeric, neem leaves, cotton fiber, and wood.
Yes, I have checked, Shreyam. Your and Shaptoshi. Yesterday I received two assignments. That is Shaptoshi and you, Shreyam, your. If you want to do it again, you can also do. I will also recommend you also write the uses of the thing. Uses of the thing. I'm giving you one example. Mute your device all. Okay. Number one. 1 second. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay. Tulsi leaf. If you want to draw Tulsi leaf. Who is this?
Ma'am.
Ma'am. What happened? Yes, Aratrika. 1 second, everyone. Yes, Aratrika.
আরাত্রিকার মা বলছি ম্যাম ওর একটু পা মুড়ে বসতে পারছে না, যে পায়ে লেগেছে একটু, ওই জন্য পাটা একটু ছড়িয়ে বসেছে।
Okay, ma'am. But why you are saying? Aratrika can tell me now. Why you are saying, ma'am? Aratrika can also tell me the same thing.
ও বলছে মাম্মাম তুমি বলো একবার ম্যামকে।
No. Okay, ma'am. Okay, but don't allow them to do this thing. Okay. But ma'am, I have to tell you that Aratrika Patru is not at all attentive in the class. I don't know that always you are there in the class or not, but every time she used to sit like this and she is not at all attentive in the class. Every time she move here and there, not all in my class. Okay, I'm getting other teacher also feedback that she is not at all attentive in the class. And if you don't know, yesterday I asked her a question that Aratika tell me this thing. Suddenly he removed from the class. Suddenly she leave the class. Whenever I ask her that Aratrika Patru, unmute your device, I want to talk to you, suddenly she leave the class. So ma'am, please notice this fact. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is this?
Ma'am, I am Saptarshi.
Yes, Shaptoshi, say.
I can draw the project, ma'am.
Yes, do it again, Shaptarshi. Do again, okay? Do it nicely, properly. There are lots of things that we get from get from plants. Just like tulsi. If anyone want to draw tulsi leaf, also write down 2 uses of tulsi leaf. 2 or 1 uses of tulsi is used for the treatment of cold and cough. If you want to draw the picture of neem leaf, so after drawing the picture, also write it down that neem leaves and its bark are used for skin disease. Okay, understood everyone?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Okay, Debottam say, after that I will talk to Supreet.
Now I can tell you,
Yes, say.
ma'am. I can do my project
What? Say again.
just like that. This one.
What is this? What is this?
Project is my photocopy.
Okay, you can. Yes, you can.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes,
So
you
now I can recognize this. This is my new science project copy.
new science project copy. Okay. From where do you get that?
My father is for this my drawing copy.
Only for science class, yes?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
I also follow Master of Ten's book.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
Who is this? Who is it?
আমি দেবোত্তমেরই মা বলছিলাম।
Yes, ma'am.
হ্যালো,
Yes, ma'am. Say.
বলছি যে ওই আর্ট পেপার তো এখন এখানে সবসময় সেইভাবে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না, সে আবার সেই স্ট্যান্ডে মানে বাগনান স্ট্যান্ডের ওই দোকানগুলোতে যেতে হয়। ওই জন্য বলছিলাম যে সবসময় আর্ট পেপারে যদি না করে কপি ওকে করে দেওয়া যায়, শুধু অনলি ফর সায়েন্স বলতে পারছেন না বা আপনি বুঝতে পারছেন কিনা ঠিক জানি না, বুঝলাম, আমি একটু কথা বলে নিলাম।
No problem. I also advise same. If there is a big if, okay, if art paper is available to you, do it. Otherwise they can also do in their science homework copy. I have no problem. Okay, ma'am.
তাহলে উনি একটা ড্রয়িং কপিতেই সায়েন্সের সমস্ত প্রজেক্ট গুলো করবে, যেহেতু আপনি দিচ্ছেন তো প্রজেক্ট গুলো, ওই জন্যই আপনাকে বলি।
Okay. Yes, they can also do that thing. No problem.